Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add language to your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started. First go to linkedin.com and log in. Now from the top right corner, press on Me. Now press on View Profile. Scroll down to Add Profile section. From here, click on Additional. Now press on Add Languages. From here, type in whatever language that you want to input. From the bottom then, press on Professional Working Proficiency. Click Save. Then press on Add Profile section. Now scroll down to your page. At the bottom in the Languages section, you can see Hindi that we added here. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share the video.